Today, I'm going to show you how to code expenses in Expensify. This is a great tool for tracking your business expenses, and it can help you save money on your taxes. Expensify is a cloud-based expense management platform that helps you track your business expenses. It can be used to track expenses from all sources, including credit cards, receipts, and invoices. Expensify also provides a number of features that can help you save money on your taxes, such as automatic mileage tracking and tax reporting. How to code expenses in Expensify. Sign up for Expensify. Add your credit cards and bank accounts. Connect your receipts and invoices. Code your expenses. Submit your expenses for approval. Step 1. Sign up for Expensify. To sign up for Expensify, go to the Expensify website and click on the Sign Up button. You will need to provide your name, email address, and password. Step 2. Add your credit cards and bank accounts. Once you have signed up for Expensify, you will need to add your credit cards and bank accounts. This will allow Expensify to track your expenses automatically. Step 3. Connect your receipts and invoices. Expensify can automatically track your expenses from your credit cards and bank accounts, but you will also need to connect your receipts and invoices. This will allow you to track expenses that are not paid for with a credit card or bank account. Step 4. Code your expenses. Once you have connected your receipts and invoices, you will need to code your expenses. This means that you will need to assign a category to each expense. Expensify provides a number of categories to choose from, such as travel, meals, and office supplies. Step 5. Submit your expenses for approval. Once you have coded your expenses, you will need to submit them for approval. This will allow your manager or accountant to review your expenses and ensure that they are accurate. Additional tips. Use Expensify's mobile app to track your expenses on the go. Set up automatic rules to code your expenses. Use Expensify's reporting features to get insights into your spending. Coding expenses in Expensify is a great way to track your business expenses and save money on your taxes. I hope this video has helped you learn how to do it. With that said, thanks for watching.